Signing up for a LEGO affiliate program is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here LEGO affiliate program. Now tap to open its site. After getting into its site, scroll down and click on Sign Up. Then tap to continue on lego.com. Now enter your company info, choose your country name, LEGO entry type text form, address, city, postal code, phone number. After adding your company info, enter your contact and account info like name, email, source question and its answer, LEGO email and password. Then enter your primary website info, its URL, its name, business model, short description, and many more. Then enter the payment threshold and every detail about it, and once you're done with everything, click to sign me up. Now you have successfully created an advertising publisher account.